the river. Let's build a bridge. We have to assemble excavator. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Excavator. That's all. Let's prepare the banks of the stream. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble lift crane. We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on a suitable tool. That's all. Let's prepare the bridge supports. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Lift crane. We did it! We have to assemble cherry picker truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Cherry picker truck. That's all. Let's place the frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble mini loader. Done! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Move the part to the right place. Keep up the good work. Now let's paint the frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Mini loader. Hooray! We need to assemble covered truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Covered truck. That's all. Let's finish the bridge and place the railing. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Covered truck. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle onto its place. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble. Pickup truck. We did it! Help the car reach its destination. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from. Done! Let's polish and saturate the boards. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Let's make a road to the bridge. The bridge is ready. Now getting to the other side is easy. Hooray! Congratulations! All available buildings are complete.